In this video, I'm going to show you from start to finish how to use artificial intelligence to easily create a kid's KDP coloring book that you can publish on Amazon KDP and make money on autopilot. The best part is we're going to use one AI tool specifically for creating those coloring books. After watching this video, you will discover how easy it is to create a coloring book and publish it on Amazon. I'm going to share numerous tips and tricks in this video, so let's jump into the world of make money online. The software we're going to be using is Kittle because it has all the tools we will need to create these coloring books. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is walk you through Kittle so you get familiar with it and know how to use it. Then we can move on to the next steps. Click the link in the description and you will land on this page. Kittle is an online design platform that provides tools and templates for creating professional quality graphic designs, such as logos, posters, and social media graphics. It's aimed at both beginners and professionals. As you can see, this is how the workspace looks. These are some of the things you can create with it. We're talking about designing mugs, stickers, posters, print-on-demand t-shirts. I will cover that in the next videos, so stay tuned. If I scroll down, you can see it is trusted by big companies like Warner Brothers, Netflix, and Harley-Davidson. I like those bikes. And of course, it is AI-powered, which will come in very handy later on when we get into action using all these tools to build a lucrative online business that can generate you money on autopilot. Alright, so now you should start by creating an account. But before we do that, you can see that on the navigation bar, you can find the templates that you can start with. Also, you can see the many different tools that Kittle has to offer. There are a lot of AI tools that will come in handy, like the AI image generator, the AI background remover, which I like, and even the image upscaler. They added a lot of AI tools, and I like to use such a platform when you have everything in one place. It is like a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, so you can get the job done from start to finish in one place. They even added a new type of template, which is perfect for creating marketing materials, so you can create multiple ad posts with different sizes at once. You also have the Learn section, where you have blogs, tutorials, and many articles that will help you out. You can check them out later. And the Company section, where you will find all the things you need to know about Kittle. So that was a quick overview of Kittle. Now let's get moving by creating an account. To do that, click on the Sign Up button. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just give it a name, enter your email and password, and click Create Free Account. Then this pop-up window will appear. Just open your email and activate your account by clicking on the link that was sent to you. After doing that, it will take you back to the dashboard. This window will pop up asking you what you will be using Kittle for. Just choose what you are planning to do. Basically, this is just so Kittle will adjust the template and the layout based on your needs. In my case, I will choose Design for Fun. How did you hear about us? You are probably going to choose YouTube Influencer. And finally, how experienced are you with creative tools? You can choose based on your experience, and you can get familiar with such tools if you just watch my previous tutorials and my other channels. You will find all the links in the description. However, in this case, I will choose I have never used one. So this is the dashboard in the template section. You can always start with a template if you know exactly what you are looking for, or to get a starting point, or to get inspired. So now you know how to create an account. Let me jump to my account, and to make sure we are all starting from the same page, I will just click on New Project on the top right corner. It will open the project in a new window, and this window will pop up asking to choose an artboard size. I will keep it on the standard size and hit Create. Here is where you can give your project a name. As you can see, they added a new feature that lets you create multiple artboards in one project. That is impressive, honestly. Usually you need a powerful PC and high CPU consuming offline software to enjoy such features, but now you can do it on the fly in a browser window. So there is nothing holding you back from achieving success now. So after that walkthrough, I will show you how you can create one of the best business models that you can start right now, which is creating coloring books for kids. There are many genres, however, the richest are in the niches. I already shared with you various ways to do research, and I will continue doing so. Just check the description. In this case, I simply asked my friend who is helping me in almost everything. Without going into too much guessing and overthinking, I'm just talking about my friend ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 ideas for search terms I can use on Amazon for my girls' coloring books research, and it suggested a bunch of ideas. I think I will go with the Princess Coloring Books for Kids idea. I went to Amazon, pasted that in the search bar, and searched. There are 20,000 results, so it's still broad. However, this gives me a better idea about niching down further with various suggestions. For example, you can see this one is about princesses and adventures. This one is more on the cute and magical side, and this one is a cartoon style. Avoid using Disney princess styles and other famous, well-known brands because their work is copyrighted. Scroll down to see more ideas and notice what's working right now. For instance, most covers usually feature a princess with a castle in the background. Also, if you pay attention to this design, you can see her hand somehow ends up inside her dress, so it's likely this image is AI generated. Since the cover is AI generated, I believe the whole book is AI generated, and it's doing very well, ranked in the top results on Amazon. Even when uploading books to Amazon, there's now a box to check if you created the book using AI. It shows that using AI has become normal and demonstrates just how powerful AI has become. There are a couple of tools that help you see how many times something was sold, and I will make sure to cover that in the upcoming videos. But learning to pay attention to these details is essential for doing research. Now let me come back to Kittl and show you how we can create something similar. I already made a test by just typing standing princess in the Kittl image generator, and this is what I got. I really like how clear it is, though the environment in this picture, including the castle, the forest, and the clouds, was all based on the main design idea of the picture, and it already generated a good image. To generate an image similar to the ones on Amazon KDP, from the dashboard, I will click on Create a New Project. Since Amazon KDP works in inches, the first thing I will do is change the measuring unit from pixels to inches. For the width, you have to input 8.5, and for the height, you should put 11. Alright then, click Create. I need an artboard for the ebook cover, and then artboards for each page, with the possibility of creating multiple artboards at once. All you need to do is click on this icon and drag to draw the size you want. From here, you can change the size of the artboard. It says you can move them by holding the artboard name. I like how it snaps. I am not holding any key, just moving with the mouse, and it's easy to snap them into place. So I will start by creating a cover. I'll select Artboard 1 by clicking on it, and on the right side, the settings panel will appear. Here I can change the size of the artboard. I will change the width to 17 inches and keep the height as it is. I will move the second artboard like so, then go to Artboard 1, double-click on the name and rename the artboard to Cover. To focus on it, I will hold Ctrl and scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. I can also right-click here and select the zoom level or choose Fit to Content, or in this case, Fit to Artboard. You can move the whole artboard smoothly without disrupting things. You can hold the spacebar and use your mouse to move around. Let me adjust this, and if I select Fit to Artboard, it will move to the selected artboard. Alright, to get that cute and cartoonish design, I can go to ChatGPT and ask for some prompt ideas, or I can just look at one of the designs on Amazon and copy the main keywords like adorable princesses, castles, illustrations. Then I head over to Kittl, and since its AI generator doesn't need much of a detailed prompt, I think these words should be enough. To access the AI image generator, from the left side in the Tools section at the bottom, click the sparkling star icon. If you hover over it, it will display the names of the tools. You can see it says Kittl AI, so click on that. Then I will go to the prompt section and paste in the main keywords I want. I want just one princess in the main cover, so I will delete that and I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, I will go to the image style to select the drawing style. Click Show All, and I think anime is the most suitable option for the drawing style I'm going after on Kittl. I will select that, then click Generate Image. In a couple of seconds, it will generate a drawing that usually takes hours to create. I like how the image looks, though it gave me 2 princesses instead of 1. However, I like the design with the beautiful background and everything. I will try another one and see. To help the AI generator understand me better, I will edit the prompt and add "an" in front of adorable to indicate that I want a single princess. Let's see if that works. After a couple of tries, I finally get this one. I don't want to make this tutorial longer, so I will go with this one. You can keep trying or maybe add more details to your prompt, like an illustration of a princess standing facing the camera with a castle in the background, or something like that. Something is missing right here, and it's the book cover guidance that we need to download from Amazon. So, you need to go to Amazon, specifically the book cover calculator. You need to enter the book info. This is what you should input. The number of pages, you can choose any number you want, but the minimum is 24 pages. And then click Calculate Dimensions. To download the template, click Download Template, and it will download a zip file to your hard drive. I will unzip it here, and it contains 3 files. This is the template that we need, so I will drag and drop it into the editor to upload it. Alright, then I will adjust its size like this. From the right side, I will go to Layers to send it to the back and reveal the other designs. I will lock it and then move it back like this. Now I want to focus on the last image that I want to use, so I will hide the others from the Layers panel. Actually, I will hide and lock all of them by clicking on the eye icon to hide them and the lock icon to lock them. In the template, the safe area is the one that's in white. The red area is where it's most likely to be cut, so you better avoid putting text there. Right here is the front cover, and right here is the back cover. I will try to fill in the image like so, but actually I need to put the template in front and lower the opacity. I will select it from the Layers panel and then move it to the front. Then I need to unlock it to change its opacity and then lock it again. Now I can move the design accordingly. I would like to move the picture to the left, and then I can just use the crop tool to crop the image like so. Before finishing the cover, let me show you how to create the first page. If you go to the Amazon book that we're getting inspiration from, you can see that the back cover consists of an image of a castle and a preview of some of the coloring pages inside the book. I will show you how to create one page, and then you can experiment with it to create the rest of the images. Let's focus on Artboard 2, which represents the first page of this book. For this, I will go back to ChatGPT and ask it for ideas for the first 5 pages. I already prepared my prompt. Basically, I just told it what my book is about and that I want it to give me 5 prompts for the first 5 pages. Feel free to ask it for more. Here's the prompt. I have chosen this idea, Princess Coloring Books for Kids. I want you to give me 5 design ideas, prompts for the first 5 pages. It should be related to princesses, like one in a dress and another one on a horse, and so on. It will start suggesting the first 5 ideas based on the prompt I gave it. Let's start with the first prompt. I will copy the first one and go to Kittl, making sure I am in the targeted artboard. In the AI image generator, I will paste it in the prompt box. I will keep the aspect ratio the same, but I will need to change the design style. I will click on Show All and navigate to the Vector Styles section and choose the Coloring Book option. This is what I like about Kittl. They have styles just for this kind of design. So click on that and hit Generate. Let's see what we get. Look at that, it looks nice, but it is a bit complicated, so I will try to change the prompt. Maybe I need to make the prompt simpler, as I think the more details you add, the more the image generator will try to include those details in the image. I will add the word simple in front of illustration and delete some of the details. Then I will click Generate. Let me move this away and see what we get. I will then scale it up and see. Alright, this one is simpler. However, I didn't think I asked for a car there. You can always keep regenerating until you get the design you are looking for. For example, to keep the similarity between the anime drawing style, I could add anime style in the prompt and see. Okay, this one is anime style, but let me adjust the rotation angle, like so. However, the designs are still a bit too detailed, so I think I need to readjust the prompt. I already did that and got this design. All I did was replace the word illustration with drawing. So, you can experiment and change the prompt based on your needs. To avoid making this video longer, I already experimented and created a couple of other designs to give you an idea of how your project will look. For the book cover, I just generated a picture of the castle with a river. You can put 3 or 4 images as a preview just like the reference book. For the second and third page, I made the prompts simpler, but for one I added anime style, and for the other I added cartoon style. This shows how the prompt can help you get the results you are looking for. You can hide the template from the Layers panel right here. To make the 2 pictures blind better, I can adjust the saturation of the right image. So I will click on it to select it, and from the Settings panel, I will scroll down to the Adjustment section and I will increase the saturation slightly. Another trick is to copy the whole artboard. Select the artboard like this, right-click and click Copy. Then paste it here, and it will copy both the artboard and its content. You can then delete the content. This way, it will be easier for you to create many artboards quickly. Once you finish creating your book pages, you can download them all at once by clicking the download button right here. You need to download the cover first, and then the rest of the book pages in a PDF format to be able to upload it to Amazon KDP. Uploading it to Amazon KDP is a straightforward process. Just check the description as we already covered that in a previous video in detailed and easy to follow steps. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.